hurt.
Part 2.
Oh.
Car wash, car wash, car wash. We're washing cars, car wash, car wash. Just press the pedal. On the floor, yeah. With your foot. Show her. Your foot. Kick it. Kick it. Use your foot. No, okay, put your foot on it. Press it. There we go, yay! Car wash, car wash. How you doing today? Can we get your you want to get your car washed? Hey, car, you can drive that car too if you want sometimes, okay? But we're gonna wash your car for you, okay? What's your name?
Jennifer.
Your name is Jennifer?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Can you get out the car? Okay, we gotta wash it. We're gonna clean it for you.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Oh, thank you so much. Just go have a seat right there, and we'll be right with you, okay?
Okay.
Just go sit over there in the chair, okay? We'll wash your car. Thank you for coming to jae-carter, the Cool Kids Car Wash.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be $100. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for the money.
You're welcome.
We got some money. We're making some money. We're making money washing cars. Today. That's what we're doing today. We're washing cars.
Today, sir, you missed the spot.
Oh, I ain't done yet.
You missed
Hey,
it,
go sit over there with the customers, okay? If you get up again, we're gonna kick you out. Okay? We're gonna kick you out if you keep getting up. Can you get away from the car? We're not, but we have to clean your car. We're trying to clean your car, okay?
I went out.
Hey, can you go show her where to sit down at? So I'm done cleaning her car.
Sit down, Commander. Sit down right here. Dad, I have wind power.
What's that?
Oh, she got
Hey,
it.
you guys chill out. I'm trying to clean the car, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for coming to the car wash. Jae-carter, would you tell everybody what we're doing today?
Today we are washing cars. Right now they wash my car, and then now we're doing Journey video washing her car.
Can you back away from the car, please, before we kick you out and steal your car?
Don't get hooked on the floor.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Sir, I will blow all those bubbles
Hold
off.
on, because I'm cleaning the car. Please, back up. You like this car, too? This is a nice car. Where'd you get this car from? Making YouTube videos?
This is jae-carter car.
Oh, okay. He bought it for you? Oh, okay.
And this is my orange car. No, that's my car, Journey.
This is a nice car.
No, that's my car.
Watch out.
That was my car video. That was my car video.
All right.
That was my car video.
Okay. All right. Your car's almost done. I just got to do the floor. It's all good. The floor is messy. I'm just going to put a mat in your floor. All right. Can you give me that towel? Not yet. I gotta dry your car off, okay? Where'd that towel go? All right, here we go. Jae-carter, tell everybody go subscribe and join the cool gang.
Go subscribe and join the cool gang. We out.
No, we're not out. I'm still cleaning the car.
We out. Peace.
Don't hit the button. Don't. The video's not over yet.
Well, y'all, don't get the cool gang yet because the video's not over. Now it is. Just kidding. Just clean the ground slowly and don't step on the ground. So, you're supposed to clean the carpet and you have to flip it.
Okay, I'm cleaning it the best way I can, okay?
I'm cleaning like this.
All right. There you go. You're all done.
I'm gonna clean some.
You know we gotta hurry up because I think it's about to rain.
Okay, hold on.
Yep, we're all done.
Okay, can I get in?
Yep, go ahead, give me.
Come on, we're driving this pocket up.
All right, everybody. Like I said, if you ever want to make some money You're at home and you're bored, you need some money. Just start you a car wash, make you a sign like this. Go.
But it's only.
Make you a sign like this, get your water.
Wow.
Hold on. Get your water hose out. Get you a bucket, put some soap and water in it. Make a sign like this, put it in the front yard. And charge people like $10, $15. Wash their car. It's an easy, good hustle. And I just made some good money today washing jae-carter, the cool kid's car. And his sister, fingerJournee. I washed her car too. I made $200 on 2 cars. Woo! I'm rich now. So.
You rich.
All right, so that's how people act when they find out you're rich. They be like, "Oh, you're rich? Oh, come here, buddy. Hey, my good old buddy. Hey, let's go spend some of that money."
You're rich.
Oh, hey, you're rich. Come here. Hey, rich guy. Yeah, you're my best friend. You know I always liked you. I always thought you were so cool in school. Anyways.
And you didn't get any dollars.
Yep. Car wash. We got everything going on. Go hit the subscribe button. Go hit the subscribe button and join the cool gang. Cool gang. And we out of here. Go wash the car and make some money. Cool gang kids.